Hey folks, this is Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin here. Hey guys, what's going on here? In this video here, pay attention please. I'm going to show you legitimately how to type on your keyboard like this. Type, and make cash money. You see this? So every time you type, you make money. And I'm gonna show you live right here in this video here. So as you guys pay attention here, do a couple of things for me, okay? If you love my videos, which I know you do, I know you like these videos, I know you love these videos, right? Hit the like button, and if you want more videos like this, understand these are free ways, okay? Which just means there's no money that you have to spend to make this money, okay? And I'm gonna show you how to type and make 300 bucks over and over and over and over again, okay? Very simple process, okay? So give me a like, sub to the channel, and listen, if I don't give you massive value, you don't have to like it or share it at all, okay? But if I do give you massive value, do it for me, okay? So let's go ahead and get started here. Let's go! So as you can see here, Wesley Virgin got a ClickFunnels award, Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. All that means is this, that I made at least $1 million. Of course, I've made more. Who can live off $1 million bucks? I don't know. No, I'm just kidding. But you know, I'm so grateful for this award. Thanks, ClickFunnels. And now I want to pay it forward to you. And I want to show you basically what you need to do right now to make money, okay? So pay attention. The name of the website is Squadhelp. So check it out. Imagine basically posting ideas online, okay? And just making money, okay? How many of you have $1 million idea right now? How many of you have $1 billion idea? What if every time you had that idea, they would pay you 300 bucks? Right? Isn't that amazing? Isn't that a blessing from God? Hallelujah. Whoever said that ideas don't pay money, they lied. Okay? Listen, you can lay in your bed, butt naked, doesn't matter what you're wearing, and do this all day and make money. And I'm gonna show you how. So you go to this website here, Squadhelp, okay? And then after you do that, hold up, pay attention here. Stay with me here. After you do that, you want to sign in. I've already have an account here because I use this site all the time to create ideas, okay? So basically, this site, companies around the world, they say things like this. Hey, here's my company. I don't have a name, but if you can come up with a cool name or a logo or slogan, I'll pay you. That's all they do, okay? So listen, how many of you are creative people? Comment below. If you're a very creative person, okay? If you're a creative person, this is great for you. Now listen, if you're not creative, I'm gonna show you a cool way. So it's a tool that I use. If you want to generate business names quickly, you can post them here, and basically you can potentially just win the money. But let me show you how it works. So you go to active contests, and listen, yes, I know what you guys are thinking. It is worldwide, okay? It is a worldwide opportunity here, okay? If you're in Africa, you can be in Egypt in the pyramids, okay? You can be in Paris. You can be on that island that no one can go. What's the name of the island? That if you go to the island, they kill you? Yeah, y'all can do it too, okay? But I'm not going to where y'all at. But you can do it, everybody, worldwide. Can I get a like for that? Let's get it. All right, listen. I'm just excited. Anytime I'm making money, like I love making money. And I make money on this computer here, this laptop here. And I have many of them because when they break, I buy more and I make more money, okay? So this is what you do here. Active, and as you can see here, these are active people, companies around the world that will pay you money. Like this company right here, name the next big internet sellers association. They want you to basically name the company, okay? So you just click, they're gonna pay you $135 to do that, okay? You see, it's 4 days left to do it in the contest, 311 entries submitted, and I'm pretty sure you have great ideas, right? Because everybody always reach out to me via Instagram. They say, Wesley, I have the greatest, the best, the most thrillist, killest idea on the planet. And I say, okay, well, get paid for it. Then come to me once the product is working, okay? Because I don't pay for ideas, but they do. All right, that makes sense. So you read here, okay? Read here very arduously. Or make sure you read right here in detail, okay? And read everything to make sure that when you submit, it aligns with everything that's in the description here, okay? So the only work you have to do, you have to read a little bit, okay? You read this, and then you come up with the name and you submit it to the website, okay? You submit it to the entry here. Does that make sense? So let's go back here. And yes, they pay PayPal, I believe. And I think they have some other ways to receive your money, but it is worldwide, okay? Look here. So let's look at something here that pays a little bit more money. Scroll down. So if we want to look and say, you know what? Here we go. We go to sort here. Let's go to 200 and 299 here. Okay, so here we go. We got a company here. They want you to basically, design a logo. Okay. Now, some of you guys are logo designers, but I'll show you a cool way to get the logo designed, and you can just submit it and you can just win the contest. And just stay to the very end of the video. Okay. Aqua Logic. They just looking for a logo. They'll pay you $225 here. This right here, name for a real estate project. That's crazy, right? So basically, if you create a name for the project here, they're gonna pay you $200. That's insane. I mean, who can't do that, right? I could do this all day if I was properly motivated. I make too much money right now, so I mean, I don't mind making $200, $300 a day, but some of my students, they do this, okay? So, because they need cash and they're very creative people, because usually the people that come to me to do this are young teenagers or maybe young adults or people that's in school right now, have a job, and they want some extra side come. They go here. Our people say, Wesley, I love your systems. I love your products. You really help a lot of people, but I just don't understand how the internet works yet. I don't understand marketing. I don't know what an EPC, EPA, CPA, what is all that verbiage here? So I give them this, right? And I'm giving it to you for free. Usually I charge for stuff like this, but I really want you to win, okay? And I think you can feel that I do. And that's why I appreciate you guys liking and supporting my videos, because that will encourage me to do more of these, okay? But as you can see here, $225 for a logo here. And I'm gonna show you a place where someone can do it for you. And I'm gonna show you a place where, if you're not creative, how to get business ideas. Like, I'll be honest with you, like, the internet can give you everything that you want. The only thing the internet can't give you is probably consensual. Well, no, it can give you sex too. Okay, so the internet can pretty much the internet can't give you confidence. No, it can, because if you don't have any confidence and you make a bunch of money on the internet, then you may have confidence based off the money, but whatever. But you see here, you want to make sure that you're typing active here, and you just scroll down here, and yeah. These are all the contests here, okay? Does that make sense? And you might think, how much money can you make? Well, Creative Apple, this person earned $3,000 so far. Sakesh, I think he's in India, by the way, $6,000. Young people, and look at Abby here. Go girl, $34,000 here. And I know Abby actually personally. You know, it's so funny. So she was one of the people that we're speaking about. She said, Wesley, I just can't get the internet stuff. And so while I'm in your course, because she says she loves my course because it's just a community of people. We're very positive, and we're people that have one goal in mind. So she loves it. She said, well, is there any other way to make some extra money? I said, yeah, this. And so far, she's made $34,000. So she's bought all my courses, by the way, and I'm pretty sure she'll be close to, I think she made $34,000 in 6 months. This is not bad at all. And let's look here. Somebody made $71,000. Look at that. So imagine making $71,000 just giving people your ideas. And look at this kid. Her name is Little Dino. Okay. Look at her. Look at that. She young, right? Look at that. You know, I love women, and I listen, I love women, and not just because they're cute and because they have big boobs and big breasts and a pretty smile. They smell good. I love women because they work their ass off. Like men, I don't know about men. Men just, they talk too much. They need to shut their goddamn mouths. But women, they shut their mouths and they listen. And I've made more women rich than I've made men, because women just listen. And this young girl, she's probably not even 18 years old yet, but she's made $71,000. I need to get my daughter to do this and my son to do this as well. Bring in some money, right? So I say that because it's just really easy. But you know what's different from everybody that I just showed you on this website that does this at Squadhelp? That's obviously easy and very simple to do. They just took action. Oh, I forgot to give you the website to generate business names. Okay, hold on, let me show you. Knows about Google.com. It's called the Gen. Google it now, right? So you're typing business name, and this is all free, right? We're not spending any money here. Business name generator. If you want to get some help creating names for other people, just go here, okay? Shopify has a cool one, okay, that I've used before. Find business name. So basically, say if you're doing it for a fitness business, right? You type in the word fitness here, and it's going to generate a bunch of names here, okay? So you just get creative here and just start creating different variations of the name to something that sticks for you based off the description that they put in place on the website here, okay? Or you can go to another website. Let me give you this website. Hold on. This is a very technical website. Please don't share, guys, please don't share it with anybody, okay? I'm going to show you, but don't share this, please. Okay, you ready? This is very, very esoteric secret stuff, okay? Here it is. You ready? Ready for it? Ready? Yeah, the thesaurus. Don't tell anybody, okay? Yeah, the thesaurus. So when you're creating names or business names, look at different words, synonyms, antonyms, whatever, basically, and create new words to create different type of business name and products so you can win $300 on this website here, okay? Listen, I've used the thesaurus to create a lot of companies, and all these companies do at least $1 million a year. Some of them do $1 million per month. But I just go to the thesaurus to think of different words to use to create products. So now you can get paid for that on this site called Squadhelp. And listen, here it is, squadhelp.com, guys. Squadhelp.com. Any questions about this specifically? If it's about any of my programs, our systems, if you want to work with me, if you want to help you make your first $1 million like I did, in the description below, have a link that says online help. Click that, and that starts the process to take massive action. Remember, all future millionaires understand one thing, that you have to take massive action to be rich. If you never take action, if you keep watching these videos and just listening to me and not doing anything, well, you will remain the person that you are. There's nothing wrong with who you are now, but if you're broke, there is a problem here, okay? I prefer to make money in my sleep. This is why I look so young. This is why my life is so amazing. I'm blessed. I'm grateful. But I work my butt off every day, okay? Period. So if you believe I deserve a like and a share, and listen, if you're like, no, Wesley, this is just too much help. You're giving too much massive value. I'm not going to like it. I'm not going to share your video. I prefer to be a butthole. That's cool. I love you as well, you know, but I'm going to continue to do this. But I do appreciate you guys when you like and share and sub the videos in the comment section. Tell me where you're from so I can create more videos specifically to your country. Squadhelp is worldwide. Go to the site, check it out, play around with the contest. You may win, and then email me and say, Wesley, I love you because I won and I made $300 and it paid my rent. It paid my light bill. It did something for me. And listen, money is always out there. There's always opportunities when you open your eyes. And life, you don't get what you want, you get what your picture. This is Wesley $1 billion Virgin. Let's go! Life.